Hey everyone! If you love fixing your own gadgets or working on small electronics, this one is going to make your life so much easier. Welcome back to Tech Product. Today we are checking out one of the best electric screwdriver kit options for precision repairs and detailed DIY work. It is compact, powerful, and packed with tools that actually make sense. Let's get started. This is the Smooth Armor Electric Screwdriver Kit, and it is designed for people who work with phones, laptops, drones, and other small devices. Right away, what stands out is the 3-gear adjustable torque system. You can fine-tune the torque between beat 5 and beat 55 Newton meter. That means you get full control when tightening tiny screws. It helps prevent over-tightening and protects delicate parts inside your devices. If you ever stripped a screw or damaged a board because of too much force, you know how important this is. And when you need extra strength, the Smooth Armor electric screwdriver also offers a maximum manual torque of 3 Newton meter, so you can switch to manual control for tougher screws. It gives you flexibility and confidence while working. Now let's talk about the bits. This kit includes 78 high-quality S2 steel bits in 20 different types. That is a huge variety. S2 steel is known for its durability and wear resistance. These bits are built to last much longer than standard steel bits. Whether you are opening a smartphone, repairing a laptop, or adjusting a small gadget, you are very likely to find the exact bit you need in this set. No more hunting for the right size. The design is also very thoughtful. The screwdriver has a square round pen shape with an anti-slip coating. It feels comfortable in your hand and gives you a steady grip. Even during long repair sessions, your hand does not get tired quickly. That makes a big difference if you work on detailed projects. Everything comes neatly organized in a magnetic storage box made from aluminum alloy. The box feels solid and premium. It has an easy one-step unlocking design, so you can quickly open it and grab what you need. The magnetic layout keeps all bits and tools secure and in place. No more loose pieces rolling around your desk. Powering the Smooth Armor electric screwdriver is a 500 mAh rechargeable battery. It supports Type-C charging, which is super convenient since many of us already have Type-C cables. The battery lasts long enough to handle multiple repair tasks on a single charge, and when it runs low, recharging is fast and simple. This keeps your workflow smooth without constant interruptions. But this kit is more than just a screwdriver and bits. It also includes a metal crowbar, plastic crowbar, tweezers, a magnetizer, an extension rod, triangle opening picks, a suction cup, a SIM card pin, and even a magnetic screw pad. These accessories are incredibly useful when opening devices or handling tiny screws. The magnetic screw pad, for example, helps you keep track of small screws so they do not get lost. That alone can save you a lot of frustration. Overall, the Smooth Armor electric screwdriver kit is built for precision, durability, and convenience. It combines smart torque control, a wide range of strong S2 steel bits, a comfortable ergonomic design, and a complete set of repair tools in one organized package. If you are serious about repairing electronics or just want a reliable toolkit at home, this one is definitely worth a look. Check the price link in the description, and do not forget to like and subscribe to Tech Product for more awesome tools and gadgets. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.